Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you need a non-dairy alternative to milk, then oat milk may become your new friend. This is Planet Oat Oat Milk. This is the original, so this is unsweetened, and this is a really delicious non-dairy milk alternative. So I really like this. This package is actually shelf stable before you open it, so it's something that you could keep in the pantry, which is really nice and convenient if you don't use it all the time. It is a neutral, mild flavor, but you do taste a little bit of oat, so I love that flavor, and I love it especially in coffee drinks and things like that, where you maybe could add a little bit of cinnamon and it tastes like you're having an oatmeal cookie. So I love the flavor of it. I love that it has a calcium in it, and it's just a really convenient packaging to be able to have oat milk whenever you need it. So I love to use this in smoothies or just in recipes that call for milk. This is just a really nice alternative. So if you are lactose sensitive and looking for a new milk alternative, or maybe you just love oat milk as much as I do, then I would definitely check out the Planet Oat Oat Milk. It's really delicious, super convenient, and that's my point of view.